in this little dish here, we have a lot happening. We have some sponges right here. We've got some colonial bryozoans. This red, you can see a little lophophore sticking out. I'll touch and they'll go back in. Right, here's some more over here. Some right up here too. And then this sponge that we see right here, it's been surrounded. It's the same sponge. You can see the opening right there. It's been surrounded by this sort of soft tunic of a colonial tunicate is surrounding that sponge here on the end, but also this colonial bryozoan. So we've got a tunicate over a sponge and over a bryozoan. And then we've got tons of those little capsellas everywhere.